In this video, I'll show you how you can remove OneDrive from your computer completely, and I'll show you how you can uninstall it so you never have to deal with this again. So first, what you need to do is close out any obvious OneDrive windows, then go to your arrow icon here in the bottom right hand corner of your taskbar, and just make sure you've not got OneDrive open. As you can see, there's no icon here. If OneDrive was open, I'd right click on it and you need to click on quit. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and continue to uninstall it. To do that, we need to go to search and just type in uninstall, and it then should show here add or remove programs, which should take you to the system settings. So you should be in apps now, and we can search for it. So if we go and search for OneDrive, or just type in one, you'll see Microsoft OneDrive. If you click on the three dots next to it, you can then go and click uninstall. Here it will tell you that the app will be uninstalled. Click uninstall again, click yes to any pop-up, and in a second OneDrive will be uninstalled. There you go, it's now been removed from your computer. It will no longer bug you, and that is all you have to do.